Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to run a looping program. And the first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to need to go to the Sonic.net website, or it's this WebTurtle website. You can always look it up on Google. It is by Bill Kendrick. So you're going to come down here to start new drawing. It's going to pop you up into this. In order to name the assignment, you're going to put a semicolon, and I'm going to name this branching assignment. So, first step is you need to set the boundaries of the user input. So, you're going to say if, and you're going to hold down the shift and push the number 6. It's going to create this little up arrow. Is, I don't know, greater than 13. Then you're going to come down and say color cyan. Or you can choose any color that you want that's included in this program. That'll be on the main web page if you wanted to go explore that. I just know cyan is one of them. Um, and I want them to print the words "you did it." Else, color red, print "oh shucks," and if. Okay, so this is the parameters. So the user input is if it's 13, if it's higher than 13, it'll make the color cyan and it'll print the words "you did it." If it's lower than 13, so if it's 12, 11, anything lower, it's gonna completely skip this and it's gonna come right down to this, change the color to red, and print "oh shucks." So let's test it out. So let's test if you put in the number 5. See, it says "oh shucks" because it's less than 13. But if you type in the number 16, it types out you did it. So you can make this a little more complicated. If you wanted to embed the looping program into this, you can still do that. You can set the color cyan still. Come down here and say repeat 9, draw 50, left 40, next. Go else, color red. Um, Repeat 4, draw 50, draw 100, right 90, next. So now let's test that out. So what I'm doing now is the colors are still gonna be red, and the color is still gonna be cyan. But now I'm gonna have it be drawing a nonagon or a square depending on what you entered. So let's type in 4, and now see it drew a square because it's lower than 13. But if I come up and I type out 2000, it's going to draw the cyan nonagon. So I already explained what these do. Again, the color cyan, it's going to repeat everything you say underneath it 9 times. Drawing 50 again is just drawing the line for 50 pixels, and it's going to go to the left 40. So to see how it's on the left side of this square, and then you have to say next, because if you don't say next, it won't work. It'll change the whole assignment, and it won't know to move on. It won't compute it. If it's less than 13, it's going to ignore that. It's going to come down here. It's going to change the color to red completely, and it's going to repeat what you type out 4 times underneath it now. It's going to draw 100. It's going to draw a straight line for 100 pixels, and then it's going to go to the right on a 90-degree angle, and then draw another 100 pixels, and then you have to click next again. This end if is also very important because it ends the program and it lets it know that it's good now. That's what helps to close out the program. So now I'm drawing a 1, and now it's on the right hand side of the screen. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this taught you a lot. Um, and please feel free to use this. Thank you.